Ready to supercharge your trading strategy? In this video, I'm revealing a powerful combo, how to master the MACD and RSI indicators to spot winning trades like a pro. Greetings, distinguished guests. Welcome to 0618.io, your ultimate resource for mastering trading. Whether you're a beginner or seasoned trader, our platform provides valuable insights and strategies to improve your trading success. Kindly subscribe and activate notifications to stay informed. MACD. First, let's start with the MACD, Moving Average Convergence Divergence, a momentum indicator that highlights the relationship between two moving averages of an asset. Traders often use it to track trend momentum. The MACD indicator has four key components: the MACD line, the signal line, the histogram, and the zero line. Here's how it works. When the MACD line crosses above the signal line, it's usually considered a bullish signal. Conversely, when the MACD line crosses below the signal line, it's usually seen as a bearish signal. RSI. Next, let's discuss the RSI, Relative Strength Index, an indicator designed to measure the momentum of stocks. It provides signals about overbought and oversold conditions. The RSI ranges from 0 to 100. Values above 70 indicate an overbought area where traders might expect a price fall. Values below 30 suggest an oversold area where the price is likely to increase. However, in this strategy, we won't use the 30 and 70 lines. Instead, we'll focus on the 50 line, which serves as our middle line. When the RSI goes above 50, it's generally considered a bullish signal. When the RSI falls below 50, it's typically a bearish signal. Settings for MACD and RSI. Now that we've covered the basics, let's move on to the settings. Traders can use the default settings for the MACD indicator. For the RSI, as mentioned earlier, we'll only use the 50 line in this strategy. EMA, Exponential Moving Average. Additionally, we'll incorporate the EMA to identify trends. The 20 and 50 EMA are commonly used for short to medium-term analysis, while the 50 and 200 EMA are used for medium to long-term analysis. MACD and RSI strategy. Let's see how to combine MACD and RSI. Here's a 15-minute chart with the 20 EMA applied. It's important to note that when analyzing a 15-minute chart, traders should first check the 1-hour or 4-hour charts to confirm the market direction. Looking at the chart. 1. MACD. The MACD line crosses above the signal line, indicating a bullish signal. 2. Histogram. There's strong buying momentum, confirming the bullish signal. 3. RSI. The RSI is above the 50 line, reinforcing the bullish signal. 4. EMA. The price is above the 20 EMA, further confirming the bullish trend. After all these confirmations, traders can consider this as an entry point. Remember, using a stop loss is crucial since trading indicators may not always provide accurate signals. Example. In this example, I've again used the 20 EMA. Starting with the MACD, we see the MACD line crossing below the signal line, indicating a bearish signal. The histogram shows high selling momentum, and the RSI is below the 50 line, confirming the bearish trend. Finally, the price is below the 20 EMA, confirming the signal. After these confirmations, traders can use this as an exit point. Here's another example using a 4-hour chart with the 50 EMA. When analyzing a 4-hour chart, it's recommended to check the daily chart to confirm the market direction. In this case, 1. MACD. The MACD line crosses above the signal line, indicating a bullish signal. 2. Histogram. High buying momentum is confirmed. 3. RSI. The RSI is above the 50 line, reinforcing the bullish signal. 4. EMA. The price is above the 50 EMA. Traders can consider two scenarios. Scenario 1, wait for a few candle closes above the 50 EMA before entering. Scenario 2, wait for a retest of the 50 EMA since moving averages can act as support or resistance. For double confirmation, check if the RSI also retests the 50 line. In this video, I demonstrated how to combine MACD and RSI indicators. If you found this video helpful, Please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. You can also check out my other videos. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.